Welcome back to another Create with Dawn, and today I'm using leftover paint to make something in my art journal, and I have no idea where this one is going. So I hope you paint with me and enjoy this time of relaxation. I'm purposefully going in one direction with my paint. When I first started doing this, I kind of had the idea of like a sound wave, but I don't know where this is going to end up, so join along, use up some leftover paint, and just have fun. I do want to remind you to please like and subscribe to my channel. That helps me increase my views and, get it out to more people. I do have a goal of reaching 500 subscribers by June. So if you would be so kind as to share this with your friends, get other people painting along with us, and let's create some healing together. I will say that typically I will put a piece of wax paper in between the pages of my journal so that I don't spread paint all over and make my pages stick together, but I forgot. So a little bit later you'll see that I remembered to add my wax paper, and I hope you do that from the beginning because I kind of made a mess, but that's okay. It's a learning experience. All right, I'm going to lighten this up a little bit with some white paint, and as you can see, I did mix the paint with a little bit of the turquoise just to not make it so white, actually. Now you can see that I'm mixing it with the wet uh, red colored paint, so I had to cover that a little bit. Oh, see, here you go. Now you can see my mess on the page underneath. And I finally got smart and added that wax paper so that I don't ruin the other pieces that I have in my art journal. And now I'm just going to keep working on this background, and again, I don't really have anything in mind. I'm just adding color and lines where I feel I want them. And as I start doing this, I think I'm starting to see some figures in the background. So I may just kind of go with that and see what I can make. And next I'm going to grab my palette knife and just kind of spread some of that yellow on top in areas. And again, I'm going very lightly so that I don't, mix the underlying colors up too much with this, but just add a little bit of this, it's like a green yellow tone. Now I did let that dry, and now I'm going to outline these figures that I see. This is a Stabilo marker pencil. It's kind of a waxy pencil, and I don't know, I can kind of see a head here and some shoulders. Just really loosely sketching that in. See a little one over here, so I'm going to add another figure. And then I'll add my third figure right over here just to balance out this little drawing. And now I'll kind of box these in with some paint. I don't want it completely opaque, so I do want some of the underlying paint to show through, but just kind of outlining them with this white paint can make it more distinct that these are actually people. Okay, I let that dry, and now I'm going to add some of this gold iridescent paint, um, which really made this pop and come alive. And now that it's dry, you can really see that shimmer. It looks better in person, but I hope you join me and paint something in your sketchbook, some figurative people, and have fun with it. And again, please like, share, and subscribe so that I can continue to create content and share the joy of painting and art journaling with you. Thank you.